Okay, let's start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Just relax, calm down and answer every question in 5 to 6 sentences. So, what's your favorite number?
Well, my favorite number is 21 as it is the part of my date of birth. So yes, I can say to answer your question, my favorite number is 21.
Are you good at remembering phone numbers?
Yes, I do remember, but it all depends like the relationships are closest to me or not, and I often remember the numbers of those persons that I contact to them with on a regular basis. So yes, I am good with at that.
Okay, are you good at mathematics?
Yes, I am good at mathematics, but oftenly when it's about long calculations, then I have to use and rely on calculator. So, but still I am good in mathematics. But
Okay.
for calculations,
Alright,
yeah.
I'm good at mathematics. I'm weak in mathematics. With
Yeah.
weak we use in, with good we use at.
Perfect.
Okay, do you usually use numbers?
Yeah, I use numbers in my daily basis, because I have to do the analysis and for the algorithms, even though I have to check the time or to analyze my daily routine for the workout, like on planks or jogging or whatever it is. I have to figure out the numbers at how much kilometer or calories.
How many kilometers and how many because kilometers is countable.
Yes.
So you can say that. Alright, one last question. Do you can you memorize the phone numbers or you prefer to save them in your mobile phone?
Yeah, I prefer to save them on phone numbers because sometimes I just forget those numbers as well. Yeah.
Alright. Overall good, some answers are short, so try to speak a little more. And if examiner says why not, so you need to elaborate further. Okay, it's your turn. Do you like science?
Yes, I like science very much because it helped me understand how things work in the world around me, and I have always been curious about how things works, and I like science very much.
Okay, when did you start to learn about science?
I started learning science at the age of 6 or 7 in my primary school. At first, we started learning about some basic things like weather, science, plants, animals, and after that, after I got older, as I got older, we explored more complex things like chemistry, biology, electricity, chemical reaction, etc.
All right. Which science subject is interesting to you?
I am interested in.
I'm interested in.
I am interested in biology because it tells more about living things, how the functionings of living thing and other. It tells more about tiny organisms like bacteria, and it helps us to understand the function of our body, how we digest food, how our heart pumps blood, how our heart
pumps the blood. Okay, what kinds of interesting things have you done with science?
I have done some interesting experiment with science. I remember in the laboratory of college we did volcano experiment using vinegar and baking soda, and we also observed some plants, and
Okay, so you need to conclude this answer. Overall, your answers are good.
Yes.
Just try to conclude the answer at the end. Otherwise, it's good, right? Thank you so much.